G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Well, we're going to be doing another fantastic exit video, cars leaving a car show. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Got the GTS that did roll in a little while ago. He might be looking for a spot. I don't know if he's leaving. But this SLR 5000, I think I filmed it earlier, so that's going. So too is this Ford Mustang. Nice. Tonight's video is brought to you by my sponsors Aussie Loans and Coolwheels. They are great people to sit down and have a chat with if you are in the market to buy a classic or muscle car. They also specialise in new and used cars, boats, bikes and any commercial equipment. They will provide you through the loans process, and it is important to them that the job is done well and that you are very happy with the service. A great bunch of guys, I've spoken to them. They are real easy to chat with. Aussie Loans and Coolwheels, there'll be a link in the description below. And there goes the green Tirana. Listen to the sound of that. The Corvette. As this beautiful Holden's rolling in, sounding pretty beefy. You can hear it coming. Nice big cam. Listen to the idle, immaculate. There goes the XY, XW. Listen to that idle. A few cars are coming in. Most cars are starting to leave now, but a few are coming in as we're getting a lot of the regular cars. Beautiful. Camaro, yes indeed. The Capri. The white Corvette. Listen to that. Yes sir. The Mustang. Wild. And another Mustang. And there goes that beautiful SV5000. Look at how mint that is. So we're getting a lot of these cars coming in now, these regular cars. They're going to overtake the car park. All the soccer mums are coming. So the muscle cars are going to take off. And there goes the Tirana. Schmidt GTR XU1, ladies and gents. She's a beauty. Nice. There goes the XA Fairmont. Sounding sick. There goes the VK SS Commodore. Yes sir. Nice. And the SS. The Ford Mustang. Check out this Tirana, ladies and gentlemen. With the Simmons and the yellow, yes indeed. Here comes a wild Trans Am, ladies and gents. How you going, buddy? All good? How are you, lad? Nice. We cruised in that car with Chris, the Corolla, the Capri, looking wide. And the Mustang. Looking sick here, yes indeed. indeed. Listen to the idle. Still hear it from here.
Mr. GT there!
See you, buddy? Beautiful Ford. Sounding wild. See you later, buddy. See ya. Listen to that. Lovely. So that's my mate that I met in the city. And there goes the HSV GTS. The GTR Nissan. Yes, indeed. There goes the Nissan GTR that we were looking at earlier. The GTR over here. The McLaren. There's the VK. There's the XR. See you later, buddy. The XT looking sick. There's a Commodore. Wild. XWGT. Mustang. And there goes John and Rob. See you later, lads. In that beautiful car that we used to cruise around in the 90s and the 80s. And still surviving. And the number plate too. There's the Mustang, ladies. Nice. The XR. Fairlane XT. Nice. There's the Commodore, sounding nice and lumpy. Tirana. That's a lovely colour. See you later, man. There's that incredible Rocky. And there goes that XW Ute. Yes, sir. BMW. The HSV Clubby. Yes, indeed. As we say hello to Tony once again. G'day, lads.
How's it going?
A Ferrari and the bike following. Yes, indeed. The XP two-door. Yes, sir. The two Brock specials. Looking wild together. And the Magna looking sick. Here's the XW. Ah, yes indeed. Love it. Nice. sounding sick. No mucking around the turbo. Hear this whistle. The VL Cala, ladies and gentlemen, can't be set there. Have another Senator here, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. VK SS. Beautiful. Toronto, ladies and gents, SLR. Look wild. Fairmont, XY. Nice. VK and the Mazda and the Cortina and Sylvia, the Mitsubishi Sigma, see buddy, nice and beefy. Yes sir. There's the Monaro, the Mazda RX-3, because incredible XR6. There's a beautiful Valiant XYGT. And another great lineup of cars about to leave. Listen to the idol of this thing, eh? Going wild. The XD, the XR6, the MX-5, VKSS. Cortina. See Tony. The Skyline GTR. My friend Tony's. Nice. There goes the SLR 5000. Here's the Here's the RS2000. Calais following, and the Ford Mustang. The 2000 1999 model actually. That's the version 5 STI. Those rims. And the DeVille. Statesman. Here goes the XA-GT. Comes a Wild X White Vermont. Listen to that idle. An incredible Valiant, ladies and gents, two-door. Yes, indeed.
And enjoy.
That's the way. Enjoy the XR6. Here's the BMW. Check out the Piranha, ladies and gentlemen. That sounds sick. The GTR, the Mustang. There's a Porsche. And the Mazda following. XE-ESP, see you, buddy. I was going the other way. Tricked us. Here comes a Ford, ladies and gents, XR6, or is it an F6? No badging. It's got an LPG badge on the back to trick us. But it's got the front mount intercooler, so it's not fooling us. The no. XC GXL. A couple of revs there, yes sir. Check that out, ladies and gents, a little Dado, yes sir. VK Commodore taken off.
So if I'm coming, you've got to buy me a car.
And of course, the GSXB. Nice burble, yes indeed.
I live just here, so I cut down.
The two minis together. It's a WRX. And we have the GTS. And the Kingswood Holden station wagon. And a wild sounding XY GS. Listen to that, eh? SLR 5000 with the white Simmons looking wild. As our next B GT rolls in, unrestored. We have a Porsche on that side and an S3 here. Another Porsche and the S3 following. goes the Commodore, ladies and gents, in the maroon. The nice soft burble of the V8. Check out the lovely VKSS Group A. Nice. As the WX rolls in, STI. There goes the Ford, ladies and gents. And there goes a beautiful US XR. And there goes Johnny, my friend. In his beautiful Aqua Mustang. Sick. Check out this beautiful Mustang, ladies and gentlemen. Sounding nice and the Holland Premier, another beautiful V8 burble. Here goes a Camaro, lovely. Nice. And there goes a Chevy. Mate, look how they're built like a tank, mate. They look so solid. So mean.
It hurts my ears.
This is Leo's Ferrari, ladies and gents. Looking sick. Yes, sir. This video was brought to you by our sponsors Aussie Loans, classic car finance made easy, and Coolwheels, an easy way to buy or sell a car. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that exit video. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to pound the subscribe button, punch the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.